Hi, I'm Dr. Somi Javaid. I'm a board-certified OBGYN who practices in Cincinnati, Ohio. I specialize in sexual health and menopause.
I'm Schmidt. I'm a sex therapist.
Hi, I'm Dr. Janelle Evans. I'm a urogynecologist with Kettering Health Network.
There are absolute benefits to products in the bedroom. It's a well-known fact that women alone, it can take 2 to 4 minutes to obtain an orgasm. Sometimes with a partner, it's 15 to 20 minutes.
A vibrator is a great enhancement to a sexual experience.
Toys are actually fairly key in making sure that you exercise your pelvic floor muscles.
Say you've been in a relationship and you're looking to explore a little bit more and experience different sensations. A vibrator helps enhance that. It enhances some of your sensations around your body, your nerve endings. It brings that out.
Also, learning stimulation, learning what you like, what you don't like, and then being able to translate that to your partner so that you both have a good experience.
It also increases variety in the bedroom, so decreases boredom, and really creates a sense of adventure for the couple.
Being able to talk to your partner and figure out, is this something that we're wanting to incorporate into our life?
If you get the couple involved in it, then you have a little bit more time for exploration so you can figure out,
do we like these toys? What is it like? It just adds a novelty to something that maybe you haven't experienced before.
The idea of a vibrator, a lot of people think, hey, that's just a self-pleasure thing. Not for my partner.
How do we keep it focused on each other while also having some playful toys interacting with us? Being able to have different types of lubrication to see what it feels like on your clitoris or on different parts of the penis. Or there are some lubes that are really fun to do a sensual massage with and then incorporate it into the genitals.
So lubricants are not only for menopausal patients.
Depending on the person's age, it's going to be for different reasons. But even when you're younger, having more lubrication is a fantastic thing for intercourse.
Sexual intercourse feels much better when things move in and out easily.
So being able to have lube as a playfulness for foreplay around the body and then incorporating it into the genitals, I think can be really fun.
Even young patients can use lubricants and it can add to their sexual experience.